I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80240FFF error in Windows. Go to Start menu, type CMD, right click on it and run as administrator. We will going to execute some commands here. Follow these steps carefully. Now type net space stop space WAUSERV and hit enter. Then type net space stop space bits and press enter. Now type net space stop space crypt svc and hit enter. Now type net space stop space MSI server and hit enter. Type net space stop space app ID svc and hit enter. Now get these paths from your system and go to the next command. Then type net start WAUSERV and hit enter. Then type net space start space crypt svc and hit enter. Now type net space start space bits and then hit enter. Again type net space start space MSI server and hit enter. Then type net space start space app ID svc and then hit enter. And finally type exit and hit enter button. Now go to start, type PowerShell, right click on it and run as administrator. On this blue window, type this command WAUCLT.exe space update now and hit enter. Then type exit and press enter. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go.